Hi everyone, today I want to share with you some crafty stuff I picked up from a shop called Doily Die from. I had never bought anything from this shop. It's an online shop here in the UK, and I was so surprised with how good prices they have on American brands. Really excited about it because a lot of the times the American brands are very expensive here in the UK, which I guess is understandable. They importation tax and all of that, and they need to order it from the US, but I really like some of the American brands, and I have always done, but they can be quite difficult to get your hands on here in the UK. So when I saw that they had a kind of discount code going on, I was like, yep, I'm gonna take advantage of this and click home some lovely new stamps and dies and stuff. So this is a little haul, and then I also want to share with you 2 Christmas cards I've created. So without any further ado, let's start. So I have a ton of flower dies that I've received from Kalina Palmer Designs, because obviously I'm in her design team. When I saw that they had this set, which is obviously an embossing flower tool set with the embossing mat, I was like, I need to have that to create more realistic flowers. So this set has obviously the large tool, the medium and the small, and then some tweezers, and then the embossing mat. And I'm really looking forward to using the embossing mat. Then I also picked up this cute stamp from Candy Bean, or from Little Darlings Rubber Stamps. It's super cute, isn't it? I mean, look at that. It's that little girl with a kangaroo, and it's, yeah. It's not a stamp, that is the name of the stamp itself, so it's not a sentiment that says hold tight, but the stamp is called hold tight. But I thought that was really cute. Then this was in the sale, so I guess that's why it's yellow. I don't know why some stamps turn yellow, but if I've bought secondhand stamps off eBay, some of them have been yellow, so I guess it's about sunlight, so you shouldn't really keep your stamps in sunlight. I'm not sure if that's the case, but yeah. But I love Tina Wenke, and her stamps are gorgeous, just really lovely. And I love this cute little sock. It's adorable. And then I picked up some CC Designs. I've actually never had any CC Designs stamps before. Obviously it's an American. It was down from £10 to £5, which I think is amazing. It has different sentiments, like may the wings of the butterfly kiss the sun, and you find shoulder to light on, to bring you luck, happiness and riches today, tomorrow and beyond. I thought that was quite cute. So it's spring stamps, so that will wait for the spring. And then I picked up this lovely snowflake Doily Die from Marianne Designs. I thought it was really nice. Just kind of a simple die. Then this is from LDRS Creative. I picked up this set that can make this type of die cutout. Just looks like that. Pink dies. I've actually never had pink dies before, but yeah, quite a nice size as well, which is cool. Then I picked up this stamp set, which is also from Little Darlings. I thought it was quite cute. It's like a deer with, yeah, like a deer lady. And that is in clear. A clear stamp. Then the exciting stuff. So Whimsy Stamps. I love Whimsy Stamps. I think I've had a few years ago, I bought quite a big sentiment stamp set from Whimsy, and they've been great to use on cards and stuff. So they have a lot of cute images, especially in the Elizabeth Bell collection when she's designed them. So I picked up this image, which I thought was really cute. She's having a sleigh there with a Christmas tree, just adorable. And I mean, rubber stamps are really nice. they give a very nice impression, so that's a big plus. And then I picked up this holiday pennants sentiment set. This is Christmas, and it says like winter cheer, holiday wishes, Merry Xmas, and then it has also like a little sentiment there which says Christmas, like the definition of Christmas. And yeah, just really, really nice. I think I could make something cute with that now for Christmas. And then I also picked this one up. It's holiday circle pennants. So it's the same, but obviously the circle ones. So you've got like joy to the world, a gift from me to you. And these are really nice to use on the back of cards that you've created. Like you can add to you and yours, warm wishes, or jingle bells, Merry Christmas, a gift from me to you. Just really, really nice. And then this one I'm so excited about because I obviously love autumn, and then now I need to wait until next autumn to create some cards. I tried to stick to the season, even though sometimes it's a little bit difficult because I love creating very like pink and green cards. But I love autumn, and this set is gorgeous. I just love it, especially this stamp here. So very grateful for you. You are pumpkin spice and everything nice. Every leaf speaks bliss to me, fluttering from the autumn tree. Just really, really nice. And she was so sweet to add the die to it, even though I don't need the die anymore because obviously I have a Stampin' Cut, but I thought that was such a sweet thing, so I'm definitely going to order from her again. And then I picked up this lovely Doily Die. I think it's really, really pretty. It will be nice to have as a background die for my cards, just really detailed and nice. And then I picked this one up, which is from Diversions, and that is a nice big, very intricate die as well. And then I picked up, these are from Tiger, a shop here in the UK. I thought they were so cute. I just love them. They reminded me a little bit of the little blue button stamps. I don't know why, they spoke to me, these two sticker sheets. So you got the little bear, and you got the fox and the reindeer. I just thought it was so cute, just adorable. And you could create such a simple card with this as well. And then I thought this was adorable also. You've got the gingerbread men, and you've got little sweet candy canes. I just loved it. I love that set. So I picked those up, and that was the haul. Now I'm going to share with you the cards I created. So the first card I created, I've actually only got photos of because it's on its way to the US, and it's this Christmas card. It's like a Christmas house card. I really, really like how it turned out, actually. It was super fun to play with texture paste and make my own snow, and I just clogged it on the card, and it just, yeah, I'm really happy about that card, I must say. And then I also created this Victorian kind of Christmas card. It's the same technique with the snow, a lot of layers. As people know, I love to create layered cards, just love layered cards. And I have a lot of snowflakes there. It says love, hope, and joy, and then Merry Christmas. You've got a little bird. I mean, if you look at my cards, they are very dimensional, but that's because I love creating quite heavy cards. Yeah, I'm really, really happy with this. And then I also created this one, which actually my fiance was like, I like this the most, but I wouldn't say this is my favorite one. I'd probably say that the Christmas house is my favorite one, but he liked the image, and I think it's really sweet. It's all of the 3 cards that I created, I used the Maya Design of Sweden paper, and just layered it with a ton of die cuts from my new scanning cut that I've cut out. This is a Stamperia die cut, so I've just added fake snow to. I've also added some beads to it with a lot of layers and little lace here, some more snowflakes, and then this sticker which says Merry Christmas. So yeah, as well, very layered. That's my thing, I do. I like to do layered cards. But yeah, one of these cards is actually going to a friend of mine in Sweden, so that's really fun. I'm gonna send that to her, and then I'm gonna create some more Christmas cards. But that was my video for today. I hope that you have enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next little tutorial that will be up here on my channel soon.